from CSC branch, Division B. Today I am here to present PPT on block diagram of measurement instruments, comprehensive guide. Explore the fundamental architecture of measuring instruments from input to output. Understand how different stages work together to provide accurate measurements. Here is a system architecture. Understanding the need. That means why block diagrams are essential. First is clarity. To simplify complex systems, we visualize instruments flow. Second is troubleshooting. Identify faults easily. Pinpoint component issues. Third one is design. 8 is system design. Plan new instruments. Fourth one is education. To facilitate learning, explain complex components. The next is core components, the universal building blocks of instruments. First is input stage to capture the physical variables. The next stage is signal conditioning, which processes raw signals. The next stage is processing unit, which interprets data. The next is display unit, present information, and the last is output or storage, which records or transmits data. Input stage, sensors and transducers to capturing the physical variable. The initial stage converts physical phenomena into measurable electrical signals. This conversion is crucial for further processing. Sensors and transducers. Sensors are thermocouple measure temperature, strain causes defect force, photodiode sense light. The transducers convert energy forms. Microphones convert sound. Pressure transducers measure pressures. Signal conditioning units. First is amplification, filtering, and conversion. This unit defines the raw signal from the sensor. It prepares the signal for accurate processing and display. First is amplification, which boosts big signals, ensures proper strength. The next is filtering, which removes unwanted noise, cleans the signal. And last is conversion, transforms a signal type analog to digital, which converts analog to digital. Next is processing and display unit, which decoding and presenting measured data. The core of the instrument interprets and presents the conditioning data. This stage is where raw numbers become meaningful information. There is processing unit and display unit. Processing unit microcontrollers analyze data, performs calculations and logics. Digital signal processing means DSP. In display unit, LCDs shows reading, LEDs indicate status, graphical interfaces visualize data. Output storage, recording, transmission, and actuation. The final stage handles data, recording, and communication. It enables data logging and system control based on measurements. First is data logging, store measurements over time for later analysis. Transmission, send data remotely via wired or wireless means. Actuation, controls external devices based on measured values. Key takeaways and practical application in instrumentation. Block diagrams are vital for understanding and designing instruments. They offer a structural approach to instrumentation systems. Systematic understanding, grasp complex instrument functions, design efficiency, streamline new instrument development, troubleshooting accuracy, rapidly diagnose